Good evening to everyone. Welcome to Yes Online. Now we are in SSC CGL Yes Preparation League. In that, our topic is clocks. One of the very important concept everybody knows. Okay, very important topic. Clocks and calendar is one set actually. So clocks, without clock there is no paper for any competitive examination. Okay, for PS government job point of view I'm thinking. Okay, not entrance examination. So one of the very important concept, clocks concept. Here, my dear students and friends, okay, yes, old students, remember very important concepts, three concepts from the clocks. One, standard bits. Second one, angle between the minute hand and hour hand. Last one, mirror image concept. These three concepts are very important. Standard bits. Standard bits means what is the meaning? Suppose in the span of the 1 hour, minute hand and hour hand, how many times coincide, how many times straight line, how many times perpendicular. Okay, so these are standard bits directly. Once you observe, okay, once you remember the 9 points, then 1 mark in your hand. And second one, mirror image concept. Okay, mirror image concept. So topic is very easy. Mirror image in your hand, 1 mark. Suppose the same question is repeated. And last one, angle between the minute hand and hour hand. So angle between the minute hand and hour hand, very important concept. Only these 3 points, very important. Overall the concepts, almost 8 to 10 concepts. Okay, in a complete clocks. So starting from the introduction and the concept examples, okay, not 20 minutes, immediately we had some examples. Okay, who people in the lab give me the reply, ready to face the questions. Observe, clocks. Okay, look at friends. In a watch, we are discussing about the minute hand, hour hand, and second hand. Observe all of you. Okay, second hand. In our clocks concept, minute hand, and hour hand. Second hand not a necessary. Okay, not a necessary generally. Next, first point in a clocks concept. Very important concept. Very important point. Okay, so complete clocks based on that point only. Listen. So clocks. We are discussing about only minute hand and hour hand only. Okay, minute hand and hour hand only. Second hand not a necessary. Suppose the minute hand start from 12. Suppose the minute hand start from 12. Suppose the minute hand start from 12. One rotation is completed exactly. Okay. The minute hand start from 12, one rotation is exactly completed. That means in the span of the 1 hour, okay, in the span of the 1 hour, minute hand traveled how many minutes, okay, how many spaces, how many minutes, this type of concept. Look at all of you friends. Minute hand start from 12, one rotation completed friends, one rotation. Exactly 1 hour completed. Exactly 1 hour completed, 60 minutes. So we said minute. So minute meaning, what is the minute? Observe here. Here 12 to 1. This is 12. Here 1. Total how many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines. Okay. Number of lines 6. But gaps, spaces. How many spaces here? How many spaces? How many spaces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each space is called 1 minute. We have 5 fingers, but how many spaces? 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces only. Okay, each space is called 1 minute. Observe this one. Observe here. Look at the second hand, you can assume minute. Okay, 1. In the next move, directly one space. One space. Okay. So minute hand start from 12. Minute hand start from 12. Minute hand start from 12. One rotation is completed. One rotation is completed means it taken 60 spaces. Okay, 60 minutes. So minute hand one rotation completed. That means one circle completed. For completion of the one circle, it taken how many degrees? 360 degrees. So 60 spaces for minute hand. One rotation. One rotation is equal to 60 spaces or 60 minutes is equal to 360 degrees. First point in a clocks. 60 minutes at 60 spaces is equal to 360 degrees. Okay, first point in a clocks. So 1 minute or 1 space is equal to 360 by 60. That is equal to 60 degrees. So 1 space is equal to 6 degrees. 1 minute is equal to 6 degrees. Okay, space, minute or anything 6 degrees. Minute hand start from 12. 1 space tick completed. Here angle 6 degrees. Look at the minute hand here 6 degrees. Okay, 6 degrees. Here 6 degrees, 6 degrees, 6 degrees. Total 5 spaces. Here angle 30 degrees. Here angle 30 degrees. Here angle 30 degrees. Okay. So 1 space is equal to 6 degrees. 1 space is equal to 6 degrees. 5 spaces is equal to 30 degrees. 10 spaces is equal to 10 into 6, 60 degrees. 15 spaces is equal to 90 degrees. Okay. 15 spaces is equal to 90 degrees. Very important point. That's why I round up this point. These two very important. 15 spaces is equal to 90 degrees. Observe here. Minute hand start from 12. Here to here. Total it traveled 15 spaces. Total it traveled 15 spaces. These 15 spaces 90. So here 90, here 90, here 90 and here 90. So total 490 is 360 degrees. That is first point in a clocks. Okay friends. Okay students and friends. Once again confirmation. Observe all of you. Minute hand, hour hand, what it may be. Minute hand start from 12, 1 rotation completed. 1 rotation completed means 1 circle completed. So exactly 60 minutes completed, 1 hour. Okay, it completed 1 rotation means 360 degrees. So 60 spaces is equal to 360 degree. 1 space is equal to 6 degree. So 5 spaces 30 degree, 10 spaces 60 degree, 15 spaces 90 degrees. That is first point in a clocks. Are you getting? Okay, I hope everybody is getting. If you are perfect the first point, then questions very easy. So 1 space is equal to 6 degree. Minute hand traveled 1 space tick. Then answer 6 degrees. So 5 spaces, say 30 degrees. 10 spaces 60. Minute hand traveled 15 spaces 90 degrees. Minute hand traveled 20 spaces 120 degrees. Okay, from starting to 20 spaces means 120 degrees. Okay, first point. Okay, leave everything also. I said 3 concepts: standard bits, mirror image and angle between the minute hand and hour hand. Okay, these 3 very important. The same question is repeated in the examination. For SSC CGL or not only for SSC CGL, for all competitive examinations. So APPSC, TSPSC, KPSC, MPSC. Okay, so Maharashtra MPSC also very important. Okay, who people knows in our institute. Okay, old students for you. Look at Model 1. First model 9 standard bits. Okay. Model 1. First one 9 standard bits. First concept coincide. Coincide concept. Look at friends. Suppose if time starts from 3 to 4 o'clock, okay, if time starts from 3 to 4 o'clock, time starts from 3 to 4 o'clock, time exactly 3 o'clock, okay, 3 to 4 means how many hours? Only 1 hour. If time starts from 3 to 4 o'clock, that means only 1 hour. In the span of the 1 hour, minute hand, hour hand form coincide how many times? That is my question. Okay, in the span of the 1 hour, minute hand and hour hand form coincide how many times? Time exactly 3 o'clock, there is no coincide. So 3:05, there is no coincide. 3:10, there is no coincide. Approximately, not perfectly, approximately 3:15 or 3:16, there is a coincide. 3:20, no coincide. 3:30, no coincide. 3:45, no coincide. Until the 4 o'clock, there is no coincide. That means in the span of the 1 hour, the minute hand and hour hand form coincide only one time only. In the span of the 1 hour, only one time only. So time starts from 3 to 4 o'clock. Okay, time starts from 3 to 4 o'clock means only one time. Okay, only one time. Suppose for 1 hour, one time. Okay, for 1 hour, one time. For 1 hour is one time. For 2 hours, two times. For 3 hours, three times. For 4 hours, four times. 5 hours, five times. 6, six times. 7, seven times. 8, eight times. 9, nine times. 10, 10 times. 11, 11 times. 12 is also 11 times only, not 12 times. Because here intersection is, okay, here intersection is, look at, here intersection is, look at all of you. If time starts from 11 to 1 o'clock, if time starts from 11 to 12 o'clock, if time starts from 11 to 12 o'clock, okay, time starts from 11 to 12 o'clock. If time starts from 11 to 12 o'clock, time exactly 11, look at friends. This is our hand, minute hand. Time exactly 11, there is no coincide. 11:15, there is no coincide. 11:30, there is no coincide. 11:45, there is no coincide. 11:55, there is no coincide. Time exactly 12. Yes, there is a coincide. Now what is the time now? 12 o'clock. My second question, okay, if time starts from 12 to 1, my first question 11 to 12, second question 12 to 1. Second question 12 to 1 means already same 12 o'clock, already same 12 o'clock is already coincided. Okay, that's why don't count again. Okay, 12 to 1 is also answer 12 o'clock, 11 to 12 is also 12 o'clock. So 12 o'clock answer two times, but it formed only one time only. That's the reason in between the 11 to 1 o'clock, there is only one coincide which is called 12 o'clock. Got it? Got my point, all of you? So 1 hour, one time, two times, 10, 10 times, 11, 11 times, 12, 11 times only. Okay, in the span of the 12 hours, 11 times only coincide. Okay, for our convenience, one more example. Look at, this is the room. Partition. Suppose I'm in room, in this first room. This is my partition. Is it okay? Okay. Suppose I'm in another room. Okay, in another room. So same partition is the, okay, same diagram. Okay, the same diagram is the partition for this room also. But here how many partitions here? Only one partition only. In the same way, this boundary, okay, boundary of this room is this partition. Boundary of this room is also same partition only. So here I am asking one question. So there is one partition. Here I am asking another question. Another partition not there. We had only one partition. Okay, one partition. In the same way, in between the 11 to 12 o'clock, in between the 11 to 1 o'clock, there is only one coincide which is called 12 o'clock. That's the reason. So one time only. Universal answer, 1 hour, one time, 10, 10 times, 11, 11 times, 4, 4 times, 8, 8 times. For 12 hours also, 11 times. Got it? Okay. For 12 hours, 11 times. For 24 hours, we have 12 hours watch. First 12 hours, 11 times. Next 12 hours also, 11 times only. Got it? Look at. So this is the intersection. Observe friends. How many people are watching? Just wait. Okay. Vinod, maybe I will try. Okay, I'll start. One second. Start. Okay, friends. Time 11 o'clock. Time 11 o'clock means, okay, there is no coincidence. Time exactly 12, there is a coincidence. So 1 o'clock means same. This 12 o'clock is the intersection of the 11 to 1. That's why only one time consider. I hope everybody perfect in that point, I think. Okay, so what is the previous concept? Okay, so minute hand start from 12, one rotation is completed, 360 degrees is 60 spaces, one space is equal to 6 degree, 5 spaces 10, 5 spaces 30, and 10 spaces 60 degree, 15 spaces 90. That is first point. Second one, coincide concept. Coincide concept in a 1 hour 1 time, 2 hours 2 times, 3 hours 3 times, 5 times, 10 times, 11 also 10 times, okay, 11 also 11 times, 12 is also 11 times, okay. In a 24 hours, first 12 hours 11 times, next 12 also 11 times, so total 22. Got it? Look at. So coincide answer where theta is equal to 0 degrees. In the span of the 1 hour, 1 time, these are 9 standard bits, friends. Okay, 9 standard bits. Suppose you can check any materials, any books also. These 9 points are distributed in different pages. Okay, then we are getting in a conclusion point of view. Okay, if you are perfect, these 9 points in your hand 1 mark. For SSC CGL students especially, okay. So you don't know anything, okay, for maths background or without maths background, some people feeling difficult. That's why these 9 points you can prepare, okay, your job point of view, not only for SSC CGL, your government job point of view, 1 mark. Is it okay, friends? Okay. So in the span of the 1 hour, minute hand and hour hand form coincide 1 time. Okay, coincide means both are in the same location. Okay, in a 12 hours, 11 times. In a 24 hours, 22 times. Okay, here what is the intersection? Here what is the intersection? Look at. In between the 11 to 1, there is only one intersection, 12 o'clock. That's why we are getting the 11 times only. Got it, friends? Next. Straight line. In the straight line, theta is equal to 180 degrees. Theta is equal to 180 degree. Minute hand, hour hand quite straight. Minute hand, hour hand quite straight. So angle 180 degree. Suppose if time starts from 3 to 4 o'clock, time 3, there is no straight line. 3:10, there is no straight line. 3:15, there is no straight line. Okay, 3:30, no straight line. Approximately 3:45, there is a straight line. Okay, there is a straight line. Got it, friends? Okay, got it? So if time starts from 3 to 4 o'clock, only one time only. Okay, straight line is only one time. So in the span of the 1 hour, one time. In the span of the 2 hours, 2 times. 3 hours, 3 times. 4 hours, 4 times. 10, 10 times. 11, 11 times. 12 also, 11 times only. Here intersection is, okay, here intersection is 5 to 6 and 6 to 7. There is only one intersection, 6 o'clock. That's the reason 11 times only. Got it? So answer, for 1 hour, one time. In the span of 1 hour, one time. In the span of the 12 hours, 11 times. In the span of the 24 hours, 22 times. 22 times. These are standard bits. Some people doubt here. Some student asking doubt generally in classrooms. Universal answer like this. Suppose the question, they mentioned the time. If time starts from 2 to 8 o'clock, time 2 a.m. to 8 a.m., 2 p.m. to 8 a.m., 8 p.m., then what happened means you can check the condition. Okay, depends upon the given question, you can solve. Not universally. Depends upon the given question. Okay, depends upon, suppose 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. So 2 to 8, almost how many hours? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6 hours. 6 hours, it is a coincide means 6 times. So it suppose in case it is a straight line. You can observe the question, 2 to 3 one time, 3 to 4 one time, 4 to 5 one time, 5 to 6, 6 to 7 commonly one time. You can consider like this. Okay, I hope everybody getting. Okay, Vinod, are you getting this point? Vinod, tell me. Vinod, give me the reply. Are you getting this concept? Koti? Okay, nice, right. Okay, so perpendicular concept, theta is equal to 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Theta is equal to 90 degree. If time starts from 3 to 4 o'clock, 3 to 4 means only 1 hour. If time starts from 3 to 4 means only 1 hour. In the span of the 1 hour, 90 degrees, how many times we are getting? So time 3 o'clock. Time 3 o'clock means what is the angle now? 90 degrees. Okay, 90 degrees. So time 3:15, there is no 90. Approximately 3:30. Approximately 3:30 means again 90 degrees. 3:45, no 90. Until 4, no 90. So in the span of the 1 hour, 90 degrees formed 2 times. Okay, in the span of the 1 hour, 2 times. In a 1 hour, 2 times. In a 1 hour, 2 times, 2 hours, double. Okay, again double, 3 double, 6 times. Simply logical, double of this concept. Here, what are the intersections? Here, intersections 2 to 3, 3 to 4. What is the time now? This 3 o'clock is the intersection. And 8 to 9, 9 to 10. Here, okay, 9 o'clock is the intersection. So we have 2 intersections. So that's why 2 less. Just simply logic, double of this concept. For 1 hour, 2 times. Okay, 12 hours, 22 times. 24 hours, 44 times. This is standard bit, 9 points in a single attempt. Okay, in a single page you are getting 9 points. Okay, you can go to the any material, you can solve the concept. Here these 9 bits, okay, these 9 points are distributed in a different pages, but in a single conclusion in a page. Got it? In the span of the 1 hour, one time double to 11 times 22, just to double up this concept to 90 degrees. Got it, friends? I hope everybody is getting. I think it is useful to you. Okay. Okay, Koti, thank you. Next. Okay. Next, conclusion, one more point. So here 0, 180 and 90, okay. Suppose my question is not a 90. Okay, suppose 10 degrees gap. I want 10 degrees gap means minute and hour hand same location, 10 degrees gap, above 10 degrees, below 10 degrees. So 2 times formed. Except 0 and 180, any angle 2 times formed in the span of 1 hour. Except 0 and 180, okay, except 0 and 180, any angle formed 2 times in the span of the 1 hour. Okay, suppose 30 degrees, above 30 degree, below 30 degree, 60 degree, above 60 degree, below 60 degree, 90 degree, above 90 degree, below 90 degree, minute and hour hand gap. Okay, so 0 means only one time, 180 is also one time. Except 0 and 180, any angle formed 2 times in the span of the 1 hour. So conclusion, look at except 0 and 180 degree, okay, except 0 and 180 degree, any angle formed 2 times. Except 0 and 180 degree, any angle formed 2 times in the span of the, except 0 and 180 degree. Okay. Except 0 and 180 degree, any angle formed 2 times in the span of the 1 hour, 22 times in a 12 hours, 44 times in a 24 hours. Okay, 24 hours. Next, observe the question and tell me the answer. How many times, okay, how many times do the hands of the clock coincide in a day? So coincide in a day. In a day means 24 hours. In a day, 24 hours. Tell me. Vinod, tell me, Vinod. Koti, tell me. Yes, right answer, Koti. Option C. Already we know the answers directly in a day. In a day means 22 times. Okay, next. Hanumala, right answer, Hanumala. Nice. Thank you. Next one. Observe the question. This type of questions, suppose if we check the clocks materials in our any books, so this question in one page, another question, another page, another question, another page. But here I give the complete clarity. Okay, right. How many times are there handset clocks right angle in a day? Right angle in a day. I want 90 degrees. In a day means in a span of the 24 hours. Tell me, Koti, Hanumala, Vinod. Where are you, Vinod? You are asking the clocks concept. That's why you have selected clocks for today. Give me the reply, Vinod. Koti, nice, right answer. Hanumala, right answer. Okay, nice. So 44, 44. Are you getting? Except 0 and 180 degree, any angle formed two times. Except 0 and 180 degree, any angle formed two times in a 1 hour. Okay, just 22 times in a 12 hours, so 44 times in a 24 hours. Got it? Okay, nice. Next one. Level increased. Okay, first two questions are standard bits. Next, little bit change, you can try. I'm changing the little bit, just a little bit only. A clock shows 2 a.m. now. Find the total rotation of the minute hand in a degrees. In a degrees. Okay, in the degrees. A clock shows 2 a.m. Now find the total rotation of the minute hand in a degrees of the clock when it shows the 9 p.m. So 2 a.m. to 9 p.m. 2 a.m. to 9 p.m. Total how many hours into 360 degree? Simply I give the hint. Tell me. Okay, tell me. 2 a.m. to, okay, 9 p.m. Total how many hours? Give me the answer. Koti, tell me. No, Koti, not at 2520. So 2 a.m. to 9 p.m. 2 a.m. to 9 p.m. means simply how many hours total? Give me the answer. 2 p.m. to 2 a.m. to 9 p.m. total how many hours? Give me the reply. Yes, Koti, 19 hours. Okay, 19 into 360 degrees. So one rotation means 360 degrees minute hand. Okay, for 1 minute, 1 hour is equal to 360 degrees. 60 minutes to 360 degrees. So one rotation 360 degree. So 19 into 360. Tell me. Right answer, Koti now. Okay, answer Koti, right answer. 6840 is the right answer. Okay, nice. Nice. Thank you. Next, angle between the minute hand and hour hand. Okay, angle between the minute hand and hour hand. This is second concept. Model 1, I hope everybody is perfect. Okay, do you have any doubt, any query, message me. I'm solving. Okay, take a small break. Welcome back. So, friends and students, old students, is model 1. I hope everybody is getting. Sure. Next. Next one, angle between the minute hand and hour hand. Angle between the minute hand and hour hand, we have three different methods actually. Okay, we have three different methods. Universal method, formula method. Okay, universal method, formula. Say angle between the minute hand and hour hand, theta is equal to modulus 11 by 2 m minus 30 into h. 30 into h. So m minutes, h hour. Okay, this is universal concept. Okay, universal concept. If you just to remember this formula, any question is also very easy. Okay, suppose if you remember the shortcuts or anything, what it may be, that is secondary. If you remember this formula, coincide concept, straight line concept, perpendicular concept, any angle is also depends upon your requirement. The theta is replaced the theta, you got an answer. Okay, only model 1 we are taking that before the break only. So remaining models everything within the 20 minutes we will be finished. Okay, only model 1 only. For understanding purpose I taken the time. So model 2, model 3, model 4, model 5, just 5 models, 5 just within the 20 minutes is over. So this is the theta, modulus 11 by 2 m minus 30 into h. Okay, m meaning minutes, h is equal to hours. Nice, look at. If time is 2:30, find the angle between the minute hand and hour hand. Find the angle between the minute hand and hour hand. Time is 2 hours and 30 minutes. Time 2:30. Okay, theta is equal to modulus 11 by 2 m meaning 30 minus 30 into h. H value, what is the h value here? 2. Then answer 2 15s, 165 minus 60. Then answer friends 105 degree. If time is 2:30, then angle between the minute hand and hour hand 105 degrees, except 1 degree. Okay, 105 degree. So only one formula, all models. Okay, only one shot. So theta is equal to modulus 11 by 2 m minus 30 into h. Okay, next, your example, tell me the answer for this question. Find the angle between the minute hand and hour hand. Okay, clock when the time is 7:20, 7 hours 20 minutes. Find angle. What is the angle? Okay, anyone? Tell me, Manoj Kumar, Koti. Right, Koti. Nice. Okay, nice. If you are giving the reply, feel very happy. Okay, thank you. So 100 degrees, right answer. Okay, right answer. Koti, right answer. So theta is equal to modulus. Theta is equal to modulus 11 by 2 m minutes means 20 minus 30 into h value 7. Okay, h value 7. So 2 tens 110 minus 210. So modulus meaning it is a positive or negative, but angle should be positive only. So then answer, what is the answer? 100 degrees. So time answer 100 degree. Nice. Banu Prasad, nice, thank you. Next one, tell me. Tell me. Only model 1 only time taken, remaining models everything just 2 to 2 minutes only, bus. Okay, then in your hand 1 mark. Not only for SSC CGL, for all competitive. Okay, who people belongs to AS, old students for any competitive examination, KPSC, APL, TSPSC. Okay, all students. Now tell me, if time is 4:20, find the angle between the minute hand and hour hand. Here I will explain one small shortcut. We have number of shortcuts, but I will explain only one shortcut. For that I given this example. Okay, so if time is 4:20, 3:15, 2:10, okay, 6:30. Okay, this type of examples. Now you tell me the answer. After that, I will explain the shortcut. Oh, nice, Kote. Fast, very fast. Okay. Okay, listen. Here, you can apply the formula. You got to answer 10 degrees. But simply shortcut. Okay. So 4 hours and 20 minutes. 4 hours, 20 minutes. Hours always multiplication with the 5. Hours always multiplication by the 5. Okay, so your proof and everything also in the live session, proof and everything time taken. So remember as a shortcut. So 5 into 4, 20. Hours always multiplication by the 5 because the difference between the any consecutive numbers in a watch, the difference between any consecutive numbers in the watch, 5 spaces, 5 spaces, 5 spaces, 5 spaces. That's why taking 5. 5 into 4, 20. The multiplication result is equal to the minutes. If the multiplication result is equal to the minutes, if the multiplication result is equal to the minutes, then simply answer half of the minutes are called angle. Half of the minutes. So half of the minutes. So by 2. So answer is 10 degree. Completed, friends. Okay. For understanding purpose, once again, hours always multiplication by 5. Hours always multiplication by 5. If the multiplication result is equal to the minutes, then simply answer half of the minutes are called angle. Completed. So if anyone tell me 315, Koti, Banu, Vinod, tell me 315. So 5 into 5. Into 5 means it is a satisfied 15 by 2. 15 by 2 means 7.5 degrees. So 210 into 5. Into 5 means 5 2 is 10 satisfied. 10 by 2 means answer 5 degrees. 630. Okay, 630. Hours always multiplication by the 5. 5 6 is 30. So equal to the result. So then answer 30 by 2. That is equal to 15 degrees. This is one shortcut. Easily you can understand. That's why I'll explain. Okay. Hours always multiplication by the 5. The multiplication result is equal to the minute. Then simply answer half of the minutes are called angle. Suppose sometimes the say easy question is repeated in our examination, then easily we can save the time and we are moving to the another question. That's why. Angle concept. Mirror image. Third point. Okay, first 9 standard bits over, angle is over, mirror image. Number of times repeated bit. Okay, mirror image. Look at mirror. Suppose time 10 o'clock. Then what is the mirror image? Generally. Okay, I'm not writing. Tell me. If time is at 10 o'clock, what is the mirror image? Koti, give me the reply. If time is at 10 o'clock, Vinod, okay, Vinod, tell me. If time is at 10 o'clock, Banu, Koti, Manoj Kumar, Hanumala, okay. If time is at 10 o'clock, then what is the mirror image means? Next, right hand. Okay. Time 10 o'clock, what is the mirror image? What is the mirror image? So answer 2. Look at time 10 o'clock, answer is 2. But simply answer, friends. Okay. Time 10 o'clock, then what is the mirror image? So then don't confuse. Here is simple logic we had. Look at mirror image is equal to mirror image. Mirror image is equal to 12 hours minus given time. 12 hour minus given time. 12 hour minus given time. Okay. When, where hours given. Okay, time 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock is given like this. Then answer directly 12 minus number. 12 minus 10. So 12 minus 10. So what is the answer previously now? 12 minus 10. Then answer is 12 minus 10. Then answer is 2. Recently we are getting. In case, okay, in case minutes are involved. In case minutes are involved, then 12 hours written as 11 hour 60 minutes. 11 hours 60 minutes minus given time. Minus given time. Okay, minus given time. This is the point. Look at. Tell me. Looking into the mirror, the clock shows the 9:30 as the time. The actual time is. Here I given the mirror image, what is the actual time? 9:30. So minutes involved. So minutes involved means 11 hours 60 minutes, 9:30. So then answer 30 and 2. 2:30 is the answer. Okay, next. Here, time is shows 12:15. 12:15 means it is simply meaning 0 and 15 minutes. Just 15 minutes. Okay, just 15 minutes. Then answer 11 hour 60, 15 minutes you can remove. Then answer 11:45. 11:45 is the answer. Okay, 11:45 is the answer. Okay, now completed. Next. So coincide concept already mentioned. Okay, already mentioned. If you are perfect only model 1, okay, first half and everything also within the 2 minutes it is over. So if times coincide concept, theta is equal to what is the answer? 0 degree. If time starts from 3 to 4 o'clock, if time starts from 3 to 4 o'clock, at what time minute hand and hour hand form coincide? Time starts from 3 to 4 o'clock. So theta is equal to modulus 11 by 2 m minus 30 into h. You know the formula. Okay, you know the formula. Theta is equal to 0, 11 by 2 m. Okay, m I don't know. 30 and h. H replace with the 3 only because starting value. Because starting value. If time starts from 3 to 4, traveled from 3 to 4, so 3. Then answer 0, 11 by 2 m minus 90. Minus 90 left hand side. 90 is equal to 11 by 2 m. So m is equal to 180 by 11. 180 by 11 change into the mixed fraction. 180 by 11 change into mixed. 11 ones 11, 70, 11 six are 66, 4. Then answer, okay, 16, 4 by 11. Then answer 3 hours end 16, 4 by 11 minutes. Completed. Coincide means theta is equal to 0 degree. Okay, coincide meaning theta is equal to 0 degree. Have a look and tell me answer. Straight line concept. Okay, straight line concept. Here straight line concept, theta is equal to 180 degrees. Theta is equal to 180 degree. Okay, theta is equal to 180 degree. So if time starts from 3 to 4 o'clock, okay, if time starts from 3 to 4 o'clock, if time starts from 3 to 4 o'clock, at what time minute hand and hour hand form straight line? Okay, so angle 180 degree modulus 11 by 2 m minus 30 into h. Okay, 30 into h. So 180 degree 11 by 2 minutes I don't know, 30 into h. H is start with 3, that's with 3. So 180 11 by 2 m minus 90. Minus 90 left hand side, so then 270. 270 is equal to 11 by 2 m. Then m is equal to 540 by 11. 540 by 11. 540 by 11 convert into the mixed fraction. Convert into the mixed fraction. 11 fourths 44, that is 100 then. So 11 nines. So 49 1 by 11 is the answer. So 3 hours end. 3 hours end. 49 1 by 11 is the answer, friends. Got it? I explained universal point. Theta is equal to modulus 11 by 2 m minus 30 into h bus. So coincide means theta is equal to 0. Straight line means 180. Perpendicular means 90. Okay. I have one more question. You tell me, friends. Right. Tell me the option or answer. Anyone is giving the reply? Anyone? No? Okay. So 4 to 5 o'clock, 4 and 5 o'clock, okay, 4 to 5, what it may be. So theta 180 degree, 11 by 2, m I don't know, 30 into h value 4. So 180, 11 by 2, m minus 120, okay, 11 minus 120. Simplify, okay, 300, 600 by 11, okay, 600 by 11. M is equal to 600 by 11. 11 5s, 55, 5, 4, 54, 55, okay, 50, 40, 54, 6 by 11 is the answer. Okay, 54, 6 by 11 is the answer, friends. I hope everybody is getting. Okay, I hope everybody is getting. Next, last concept. Perpendicular concept. Perpendicular concept. If time starts from, okay, if time starts from 4 to 5 o'clock, at what times minute hand and hour hand form, per hour hand and minute hand and hour hand form 90 degrees. That is the problem. Okay, that is the problem. Look at, if time starts from 4 to 5 o'clock, 4 to 5 o'clock, at what times, minute hand and hour hand, at what times minute hand and hour hand form 90 degrees, okay, 90 degrees. So 90 degrees in the span of the 1 hour, 90 degrees, how many times we are getting? 2 times. Okay, suppose time 3 o'clock, 190, approximately 335, there is another 90. So in the span of the 1 hour, 90 degrees we are getting 2 times, right? So we needed 2 answers. Okay, we needed 2 answers, but I had only one formula. How? Okay, we needed 2 answers, but I had only one formula. How to get the answer? Then we are using modulus. Modulus replaced with plus or minus, you are getting the 2 answers. Okay, modulus replaced with plus or minus, then you are getting the 2 answers. Okay, so then theta is equal to 90 degree plus or minus. Okay, modulus means plus or minus 11 by 2 m minus 30 into h value 4. But simply for our convenience, the plus or minus bring left hand side. So plus or minus 90 is equal to 11 by 2 m minus 120. So you take a positive value and you take a negative value. So plus 90. 90 is equal to 11 by 2 m minus 120. Okay, then after 210 and 420. So m is equal to 420 by 11. How many times? 3 times 33, 90, 8, 38, 2 by 11 is the answer. 11 3 is 33. Okay, 90, 8, 88, remainder 2. 38, 2 by 11 is the answer. Got it, friends? Next. So here minus 90, 11 by 2, m minus 120. So minus 1 plus 2 plus 2, 30. So then simply after the simplification, m is equal to 60 by 11. Then answer 5 by 11 is the answer. Then what are the answers for friends? 4 hours end, 5 by 11. Okay, 38, 2 by 11. We had 2 answers. Yes. Completed, friends. Okay, completed. Model 1, 9 standard bits. Model 2, angle concept, mirror image, coincide, straight line, and perpendicular. Any requirement, okay, he can ask any angle is also, you can, depends upon the angle, you can substitute here, you got answer. Okay, these 6 models, so any competitive examination repeated. Okay, once, okay, observe. Last one more question, tell me. Right. Last problem, friends. Tell me. Koti, tell me the answer. Tell me the answer. At what time between the 4 and 5 o'clock, okay, will the hands of the clock be right angle, right angle triangle? So right angle triangle means just now we are finishing the answer. Look at here. Just now we are finishing. Okay. So if time starts from 4 to 5 o'clock, 5 by 11, 38 2 by 11. We had a two answers. So out of these two options, out of these two answers, which option is available? So 38 2 by 11 is available. Okay. There is no other available. Okay. Only available 38 2 by 11. Depends upon the options you have to check. We know the two answers. So the two answers not existing in options, then what to do? Okay. Don't think like that. Depends upon the option, you can check your answer. Okay, we had a two answer. Out of the two answers, one answer is compulsory in options. That's why I given this example. Okay, friends, I hope everybody is getting. Okay, if you want any other topics, okay, message me or contact in comment box. Okay, thank you. All the best for your bright future.